Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me and just do a kind of like blue rainbow eye look, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And let's get started. Alright, so what I want to do first before I do like this blue cut crease is I kind of just want to build the underlayer, get all of that figured out, and then go from there because that's what's really going to be underneath all this eyeshadow, and it's going to make it look more blended, more professional, you know, that kind of look. I am using a different mirror today. Just felt like a change with all the tea going on. Needed something that was a little more stylish. Suited me well. I'm just taking this reddish color, working in that in there because I really want to get some warm tones in here, and I think that's the perfect way to begin. So this is the James Charles palette. It's this color right here. My weekend has been kind of crazy. I've been working a lot more now that everything is open and everything, but it is really nice to kind of feel like life is finally starting to pick up again, so that's really good. But today I went on a wild expedition for some cleaning supplies and had to go like 5 different stores. It was nuts. I also tried to go to Starbucks and my GPS took me to a house instead of a Starbucks, so I don't know where it got that idea. It also had me wondering if maybe there's a conspiracy theory where people just, you know, put up fake locations and say it's a different business, but I doubt that's just, you know, I doubt that's actually what's going on. That would be pretty wild, am I right? So I'm just taking a nude color, putting it up on the brow bone. I learned this really cool trick from this other channel that has actually convinced me to stop using so much glitter on my brow bone and using more neutral shades, and I love it because it kind of just gives you that airbrush look instead of just having sparkles above your eyebrows. So highly recommend you just picking out a neutral shade because it really does help things blend better, and then you don't have like a random sparkle on your brow bone. Right now I'm growing my brows out, which is kind of interesting to see like what shape they'll take. I haven't done this in like years, so we'll see how it turns out. All right, I'm gonna go with this like browner shade next, kind of make this a little more warm toned. And I was almost thinking, you know, it'd be really cute to curl my hair for this video, but I just moved to a new place about a week ago, and whoever designed this place must not have really thought it through because there's no outlet in the bathroom. Like, girl, what if I need to curl my hair, straighten my hair, blow dry my hair, like any of that essential stuff? It's like all of a sudden, okay, now you just have to find their nearest outlet in this house because this place was like built in the 1700s or something. Actually, JK, I think they still dried their hair back then, so who knows what's going on. But yeah, that's how this place works out. But we'll adapt. I'm going to take a brighter yellow shade right here to kind of make this more warm toned underneath. Today we really want like that like poof effect or bam or whatever. I don't know. My actions are a little bit interesting when you work like a hard-working woman, like all the time. Things can blend together. And when you finally get a day off, you're like, my brain, I don't know where she is right now, but we're just gonna go with it. All right, before I go in to do my cut crease, I'm just gonna add like a little bit of orange and a little bit of red. I think that would look good underneath the rest of this. So I'm gonna take this orange shade right here, Just a little bit of it. I really don't want too much, so also making sure that I just kind of lightly apply it to the outside. That way it is not all orange. Alright, now for the cut crease. The fun part that I always also say, please, as I drop my concealer. Why am I always dropping things in every video? I am just the clumsiest person. I've been like that ever since I was young. Here we are. I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer today. It's like just what I grabbed, honestly. And then while this is setting, I'm actually going to add in a little bit on the lower lash line because I think that would look really cute with this look too. So I think this is the red color I'm just doing right here, but I didn't go back in, so it won't be as strong, but that's kind of the way I wanted it. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this excess pink color, and then just a little bit left over yellow. I use different brushes for each shade unless they're like around the same color. Just kind of keeps everything cleaner so like your colors don't blend weird with each other and everything. Yesterday I went with a different like blue eye look. I did like blue and green, and that was really cute too, but this is just so stylish. I really like the warm tones that we're getting here. So now I'm gonna go back in with a dusty kind of like mauve color because I want to take the end part of this and then make it purple. So it goes all the other warm tones in this look. And then I will be right back and we will finish up this look. Hey guys, I'm back. Just going to finish this off with some mascara. This would also be like really cute with lash. I just sadly don't have any around right now. Yeah, I also can't wait to try out some new eyeliner that I got on the Tarte sale. I did that thing where like I spent a little bit more than I intended to. I just wanted some nice cleanser, and I ended up buying foundation and eyeliner also because they were having a sale. I feel like I always do it, like if you're like, hey, this is on sale today, 9 out of 10. If it's makeup, I'll probably buy it. Guys, we literally just had the scariest thing happen. I was applying my mascara. I poked myself in the eye. It was not pretty. We almost ruined the whole entire look. So scary. I also feel like I almost lost an eyeball, so that wasn't fun. So to finish off this look, we're doing a little bit of brush and then a rose gold highlight. just to kind of play with the warm tones in this look. This highlight is honestly probably one of my favorites because it just looks so golden shimmery and it's just so pretty. It's by Naked. It's from their Naked Skin palette, Naked Shapeshifter. I think they still make this. I found it at TJ Maxx. Great place to go if you want to find some makeup, especially at a good bargain. All right, now we're just gonna go in with lips. I'm going to do a nude lip. We're going in with NYX Lip Tease. It's like one of my favorite nude shades. This is I Woke Up Like This. Very fitting. I also have a coffee mug that says that. That's like one of my favorite sayings. I just really feel like it's iconic. Alright boo, that's the finished look for today. I hope you liked this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me your comments and thoughts below. There will be another video coming out soon. I kind of want to do like a more like natural or smoky look that's also going to be like this style of Get Ready With Me. So look forward to that and I'll see you again soon. Bye!